So question number 36 is asking, what do you understand by the terms hydrogen economy, hydrogenation, syngas, water gas shift reaction, and fuel cell? So student, let us first discuss about the hydrogen economy. So hydrogen economy, the proposal to use hydrogen as fuel in industries, power plants, and possibly also in homes and motor vehicles is called hydrogen economy, right? So use of hydrogen as a fuel. The basic principle of hydrogen economy is production, storage, and transportation of energy in the form of liquid or gaseous hydrogen. Next is hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen across double or triple bonds to form saturated compounds. The vegetable oils like cotton seed oil, groundnut oil, etc. These are your polyunsaturated oils since they contains a double bond, right? So when these oils are exposed to air for prolonged periods, double bonds present in them, they undergo oxidation and develop unpleasant smell. To avoid this, double bonds are hydrogenated. For this purpose, dihydrogen is bubbled through the edible oils in the presence of finely divided nickel at 473 Kelvin temperature, and when these oils are converted into solid fats, right? So vegetable oils, as we have already discussed, like cotton seed or groundnut oil, hydrogen is added in presence of nickel catalyst at temperature 473 Kelvin temperature. Vegetable ghee is formed, which is your saturated compound, right? So this process is called the hydrogenation or hardening of the oils, and this is used in the manufacture of vegetable ghee like dalda, gagan, etc. from vegetable oils. It may, however, be noted that hydrogenation reduces number of double bonds but does not completely eliminate them. Now, third is syngas. Syngas is a mixture of CO and hydrogen, which is also known as synthesis gas. It can be produced by the reaction of steam. This is your steam reaction with hydrocarbon, right? So it can be produced by the reaction of steam on hydrocarbon or coke at high temperature in presence of nickel catalyst, and CO and hydrogen is produced. This mixture is known as syngas. Next is water gas shift reaction. The amount of hydrogen in water can be further increased by oxidizing CO to CO2 by mixing it with the steam and passing the mixture over the FeCrO3 as catalyst at 673 Kelvin temperature. So this is your water gas, right? CO plus water. CO plus hydrogen is your syngas and CO plus water is your water gas. So जब हम अच्छे स्टीम पास करेंगे टेम्परेचर 673 केल्विन टेम्परेचर, FeCrO4 catalyst, syngas is produced, right? So this conversion of the water gas to syngas is called a water gas shift reaction. Next is fuel cell. A fuel cell is a device which converts energy produced during combustion of fuel directly into the electrical energy, right? Dihydrogen used in hydrogen oxygen fuel cells for generation electrical energy. It has many advantages over conventional fossil fuels. It does not cause any pollution and releases maximum amount of energy per unit mass of fuel as compared to gasoline and other fuels, right? So students, in order to know the solutions of more question, you can download Wiseschool, the learning app. Thank you.